What's up, everyone? How's everybody doing? Hello, hello. Check one, two. Check one, two. Hear me okay? How's everybody's trading day? Yeah, mine too. Me and Jacob both got messed around with. Nice. I just had some pho. Maybe with the Asian fuel, we will catch some bangers. We're gonna be patient today, guys. Get everything all fixed. Um, my connections up. What's up? Four counts for that 7K payout. I had for pho. I had both. So I had steak and then I had shrimp spring rolls. I've been eating pho all week because I've been a little sick still. All right, we just got an open. Let's see. I'm setting up all my accounts real quick, guys. I'm gonna be copy trading 12 accounts, 7 fundeds and 5 evals. Okay, everything looks good. MQ, got that pulled up. I'm gonna do a test run with the order real quick. Mm. Okay, let me see if this works.
Order submitted.
Yep, it is working across all of my accounts. Okay.
Order submitted.
Close. Damn, I lost $3 on all of them. I want to make sure this works here. See what we shall get. I was testing and making sure my trade copier was working. Test, test, test. It was a test. Sorry if I alarmed you guys. I took it with, I just took it in and out real quick with one micro. So the reason why I'm doing this whole trade copier thing, the Apex one that I've had for a long time, is because I want the fills on both of my different prop firm accounts to have similar fills instead of being 4 points apart from each other trying to select both. Instead, I'll just select one button and it'll get them all near the same fill. Okay, let's see what we got going. Jeez, why is it like this? Move, 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 move. Add 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. All right, I think we're ready to go. Let's get these charts pulled. Yeah, that gauge is actually better. Slower. Mm. Yeah, It moves a lot less. Yeah, I trade Apex. I'm trading Apex and Alpha together with the trade copier. Another good one I've heard it from is Trade Sinker. I heard that one's good. And then the Ninja trade copier. Those are the two that I've heard that are good. I use the Ninja trade copier. Not really seeing much. Okay. No, I don't trade London session. I've heard Replicano is good too. But I've paid for this one already, so I just use this one. Order filled. Order filled. I'm not really too sure. Seems like we might want to push long. What? I just do top to the bottom. It's literally the high of day to this retracement back here. Do you not see where the blue line starts? Here to here, top to bottom. Kind of feeling like we come up here, grab liquidity, and push down. Oh, wait, see how we react to this 80 area. We are pumping off somewhat lower volume. I don't go live for New York session. Huh. I want to see how we react to like this 180 to 90. Let's see. No, I'm not in anything right now. I say I'm trading. I typically trade them a little bit heavier, but I'm just gonna trade all the same today. Let's see. Because that's the high and the low. That's how I draw fibs. It's just a retracement. I mean, there's no specific reason why. It's just how I draw fibs from the top to the bottom to see what the retracement is. I say 4 to 8. Or full size is 8. Light size is 3 to 4. Mid size is like 5 to 6. Yeah, I'm trading micros on my phone, dude. I am live on Discord. What are you talking about? They're gone. There. Only been live for 15 minutes. I feel like we're getting some weakness here. We have like 10 minutes left on this candle. Let's see. I was hoping for that 82. Let's see. Thinking shorts. I was kind of thinking shorts. Yeah, it's only supposed to be Team Bull Premium members that are able to see, have access to stages. That is why I like it. Yeah, I look somewhat for lowering volume as well as just a push in levels. We're just gonna be patient though on this and wait for a confirmation. I'm not in anything yet. Are you mostly watching? The 5 and the 15. Those are my two favorites. Yeah, potentially. Really wanted to see that 80, guys. How do you position size? Is it an eval and what firm? If so. Yeah, they're significant with my strategy. The EMAs. I'm really just looking to see how we're going to develop on price action. Kind of leaning more towards the shorts, but I haven't got a prime um, confirmation yet. My biggest thing would be, look at this 5 minute. Just really just starting to break down with the retest back up. Well, if you took them shorts, you got them. You got 10 points on that if you would have taken it. I personally didn't take it. I don't know. It's kind of hard to say which way we're going to go right now. We really have to change some structure. Just going into the end, we have that low, and then a push up, and then another low, a lower high, I guess you could call it. And then another push up, higher. See 50-minute, 5 minute. I want to see how this 5 minute reacts to these EMAs down here. I ideally would like a close below the 8 EMA on the 5 minute, 15 minute for shorts. See, this is what I'd like to see. I want to see it close below these EMAs. We got like 6 seconds left on the 5 minute. I'd like to see a retracement into maybe like 65 or so. Let's see. I'm gonna watch it here in the 60s. Still watching. Patience, guys, patience. Should I play some music? I'm not jumping the gun on this. I'm gonna wait for my pullback. Some códigos. I don't have it pulled up, but I'm shifting the focus to the 1 minute chart to see how we react on a pullback up to like 60, 65. You got a good entry. So theoretically, if we did end up getting the entry on the shorts, I would like to see 128, and then if we could hold below 128 and then 113, I think we could see 100. And nobody's hopping on me today. Where is everybody? Jed's not on. Nobody's on. Nobody likes me anymore. I guess. I'm so tired, guys. I'm literally ready for bed. But I still showed up for you guys. I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm starting to get my sense of smell back as well as my sense of taste. Alright, guys. Watching this area here. I'll let you know if I get in anything. Okay, I'm gonna watch it here, guys. I'm gonna try a
Order
small
submitted.
amount here of NQ shorts. Light size. NQ shorts. My entry was 5.6. Would potentially like an ad if we can pop up more. Another thing I do like about the Apex trade copier is I'm able to put multiple or ATM strategy in. If you want, worst case scenario, your stop could be above the daily high if you would like it. I'm going based more on price action, so I might stop out before that. Good note, 15 to 20 points. I'm not in heavy either, guys. I'll look for an ad if I get a better area, but going in to today, I do not want to trade too heavy. Seven points almost. It's not bad. I think we can go for. We got filled at 56. Probably have a price target like 30 for nearly 25 points. If we're gonna catch this move down, we really need to hold below this. We should put another 5-minute. Yeah, we did. Okay, we opened below that 21 EMA, which is good. Yeah, I'm in short. We're like near break even. We haven't really moved much. We were up around 6 points initially. We still got 4 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. I would love to see this 15-minute candle close below 45. That'll look really good for us, guys. I got my entry at 156.5. So we're up around 4 points right here. Yeah. I'm not in heavy, like I said, guys. Taking it light. This morning and yesterday were a bit harder to trade, so I don't really want to put on too much size, if that makes sense. Yes, I'm in shorts. If you do not feel comfortable taking the shorts, please do not take the shorts. We're just bouncing around break even. Come on. Give us a good amount of points. Please, give us some points. Come on, die. Come on. 7 points. Should not want to push down. Got a minute and a half on this 15-minute candle as well as the 30-minute candle. We shall see what we get. You can put your stops above high day, like I said, and then my take profits are I'll take some off down at 25 points in the green, and then as we keep going more in our directions, I'll take some off. Looks like this trade copy is working though for my accounts. It's working well. Yeah, there's also lots of videos too out there already. Okay, that close was all right. 151. Would have liked to close a little bit lower. But these 5-minute candles look like they want to break down. Come on, break down. Yeah, I'm in shorts. Good turtle market, guys. My inch was 56.5. I'm not saying it anymore. Said it literally too many times already. I've said the stop loss too. You can put it 15, 20 points above where we got in. Ugh. There we go. Come on. Give us a push down. Being stubborn, guys. Should have 30-minute closed. Not the nicest close. Thank you. There's 10 points there. Come on. Follow through. That's all we asked for, right, Team Bull? Come on. Doesn't want to go lower. It's failing to break. I'm not Grizz. Not Grizz, my friend. Grizz is one of our other admins in Team Bull. He's the country guy. What's up, Chris? How's it going? I don't have the bear mask. We only have this mask, which we shouldn't be putting on. But yeah, the bear mask is actually at Jadon's house. It's kept away in a secret safe. No, Jadon started Team Bull. Fun fact, I actually joined the first year Team Bull was out, which was back in 2021. Come on, please, go down. Yeah, their questions are hilarious. I seen that, man. Congrats. Getting that tattooed. No, my analysis is all done on my Thinkorswim charts, which I only share with Team Bull. Only the Team Bull Discord gets access to my full drawings and everything. Only for premium members can see me on Discord. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Jacob appreciates that. And the thing too is this doesn't even have to be directly related to trading. It could, be directed to anything in your life that you're trying to accomplish that requires discipline. DM me on Instagram, DINERO_trades, if you have questions about the Discord. Bakersfield, huh? I have a buddy out there in Bakersfield. Well, we're nearing back up at entry. Nice. Texas is dope. My family's from there. Nice. Glad to hear that, bro. Yeah, I'm in NQ shorts right now. I'm really liking how slow we're trading though. I will be right back, guys. I'm gonna use the bathroom. I'll be right back. Looks like we want a break. We're just taking forever to push down. Oh. We're just waiting still. See what this trade is coming to. And this market's so slow. Yeah, I'm in shorts still right now. It is. It's taking it super slow. I'm still in here. Still in the trade. Just waiting. Yeah, I trade New York. I like Asia though too. I could trade both. Doesn't reject off this fib right here. I'm gonna consider getting out of this trade for a slight loss, couple points. If we don't, we're starting to reject. Need to follow through down. So I'll end up getting out of this trade for a small loss. I'm really liking it. This week's been difficult. We got some good trades on Monday, and then yesterday it wasn't really too well. Yeah. Just trying to reject off this area. This price action is terrible, guys. I have a feeling we might just range. Got a minute 10 left on this candle. Haven't stopped out yet. I'm out.
Order submitted.
No mames. Oh man. There was that volume, but didn't come into our side. Strategy is not working today, guys. I don't know what it is. Still got one more trade in me. Took a loss. Do we have news this week? Does anybody know? Was it a 2-bar on the 5? That's why I was trading light, guys. It wasn't really much at all. If you guys even look at that volume, though, on the 15-minute, that volume is significantly less than the previous opening candle. So I don't really know what to make of that. It's giving mixed signals. We were failing to get above the 60 for the longest, and then we just ended up pushing past it. Like, the thing too with like even longs, the way that I look at it is, so that we do pull back to like this 65 to 170 for potential entry. Well, how are we gonna look when we get up to like this 200 to 218? Because that's where we're holding a lot of the sell orders today that made us drop down. No, my strategy isn't the same as Jalen's for Asia. It's different. I recommend trading anywhere. The market's been moving fast lately, so what I've been telling people is trade, a max of maybe 5 on an eval, especially if you're just starting out. You know? I trade orb to New York, but I don't trade orb during Asia. 145 to 190, 45 points. 56, 174. I necessarily don't even like the pullback either for longs. It's just a difficult area. Hmm. When you're first starting out, I recommend trading around 3 to 5. I tried gold from time to time. We can get a look at it. I haven't been touching gold lately though. Time is it? 4:50. Yeah, this upper zone up here. Switch to a 15-minute. No, I got out of those shorts. You guys should be able to hear me. You can hear me, right? Chat, can you guys hear me? Nice. Just making sure. I still don't like longs or shorts yet. How long was I what? Oh. Nice. Hmm. This is super slow. We have so far it's almost been an hour, and we have from 140 to 190, we have a 50-point range. Technically, for those of you that do like to trade orb, I think, yeah, we had to close out of it. We could try these longs at 165. That would follow orb. It just so the J and the H basically just mean what month it expires. So the H with NQ, it means March. I'm gonna try some longs right here, guys. I'm giving the longs a go. My stops will probably be below this 60 area. So not too much, not too bad of a stop. 10 to 15 points or so. Trading it light too. I want to test this orb for Asia, see how it works out. I don't blame you, Chris. Computer activate revenge trading mode. See how this orb works for Asia session. We're good friends. Me and Jadon, we're good friends. We are both amigos. Yeah, we definitely try this. We're having those conversations, those confirmations there. We bounced up off of not only my fib but my EMA. We have the orb here as well. A lot of you guys are saying this looks like Jalen's 2 bar. I don't trade the 2 bar, but yeah. Let's see what we can get. My entry was 70 on this. Entry 70, not entrance. It'd be nice if we could see like 90 to 200. And nope, doesn't want to go. NQ's being difficult. It's being a difficult child today. Today and yesterday. Asian market just opened. How did you make $300 off that already? I'm only in with 3 micros on each account. Like I said, I don't think that we should be trading too heavy, given the circumstances of how Asia's been trading. This would look like a good trade for my strategy as well. Based on this retest of this AEMA on the 5 and the 15 and VWAP as well. We just need to wake up out of this area. That's what's really going to push us up. I mean, these trades aren't necessarily bad. The crazy thing is, like, there's just no follow through that I haven't been seeing. Like, we're struggling to follow through right here. And sometimes that happens, you know, your strategy is not going to work every day, all times of the day, but it almost works every day if you ask chat for those who come every day. No, I do not have a code for Apex. I'm gonna grab another water, guys. I'll be right back. This office fridge is working great. Look how frozen that is. Nice cold water. Yeah, honestly, it could be that we just had war news over the weekend, and I'm gonna watch it here. Might potentially get stopped out again. Yeah, so with the war news, could be a big reason why the market is trading so weird. Um, Even in, the mornings, we've been seeing that we have just been getting pushes up or down. So, for example, today, huge push up, really no pullback, if you want to call it. Yesterday, straight push down, not really any solid pullback. Day before, which was Monday, straight NQ pump off the morning, no good pullback retracements. So what I've been noticing is in New York session, at least, there hasn't been much retracement as far as like fibs, which the market usually always likes to retrace. You'll notice that on higher time frames, on lower time frames, it usually likes to retrace. Because you gotta think about it. When what the market's designed to do is it's designed to go up, down, up, down, like that. Like the stairs. We're up 5 points now. That's the reaction I like to see. Now we just need to sustain it. My lungs hurt, guys. Once we get up into the 90s, I'm gonna take some off up there, guys. Safe to say, you know what I mean? Want to secure that that 1-to-1, as well as I guess a little bit over 1-to-1, but secure some of that loss from earlier. Come on, give us 90. COVID. Man, my lungs have been hurting, guys. Up over 10 points, 13 points, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Come on. Go. Push. Push. Push, please. Go. Vámonos. It hit that first couple. Or no, it didn't. I had him at 90.75. Yeah, you guys can take a trim up in the 90s. Or here if you'd like. Push. Give us a push, please. Kiss 220. Nice. Did you guys make a little bit of money back after that first loss? Come on, give it to us. Big push. That was honestly my first time incorporating orb into an active trade with you guys. There we go. Hit my first trim. Okay, you guys can take a trim. It's not much, but it's definitely something, guys. You know what I mean? We gotta take those base hits when we can get it, I would like to see this 200 and then 220. If we can continue momentum up like this, we can definitely see a trend, guys. I'm just happy we made that loss back. I'm like slight green. I'm floating like 30 bucks in the green right now. Which I'll take a break even day over a red day. We had a red Asia session yesterday. I guess a red day in total today because of New York, but it happens, you know? It happens. And all we could do is react, guys. That's why, like, I'm sure you guys have seen in the mornings when they, talk stuff to Jacob when he loses or to myself when I lose. And the thing is if you're expecting a streamer or yourself or anybody you follow, even, an institutional trader, everybody loses in this game. It's just a part of it. And if you don't like it and you're not being realistic with your losses, then honestly you shouldn't even be thinking or looking at trading. Does that make sense, guys? It wants it. Yeah, you can move your stop loss to break even. This price action is odd. It might run, yeah, potentially. One winner, one loss so far. No, I wouldn't add to this position. Then you guys got to figure out, yeah, like we have these little trades like this where we're slight green, even if we're just green $50 on the day, that's perfectly fine. But then you look at our other days that we have together, and you can ask the chat. We've had 100-point days, 150-point days. Like I've had one member caught 300 points off of one of my trades. Like literally, for example, Monday we damn near caught the top on for shorts. It went down 600 points that night. So like it's not all, you're always gonna win, but it's also you're not always gonna lose. You're gonna have those huge days where they outweigh all these losing days or all of the slight green days. I haven't, I usually like trading in the winter. I usually believe price action is a bit better, but this winter hasn't been that much better. I feel like another reason, I haven't been on my A game even in the mornings is just waking up sick as well. It's hard to trade when you're sick. I don't know if you guys have ever tried it, but it's difficult. We're gonna have to put this on. Is that what we need? We need the bull mask. We're just gonna wait here for NQ to do its thing. Go NQ, Nasdaqita. Vámonos. It's hard to breathe when you're sick in this mask. We'll just put it. Come on. Vámonos. We're hella choppy on this 1 minute. I know we are. What time is it? 5:13. Wow, this streaming day has went by kind of quick. Almost at that 200. Oh, we hit that 200. Make sure you guys are taking trims. We're up 30 points. Sorry, I'm texting my friend. It's his birthday, and I'm probably going to take him to dinner after this. With the FFF profits. Me gusta la lavada. I forgot our music. All right, guys. Next price target would be 220. It's nothing crazy, but a little bit of money back, you know? There we go. 40 points. All right, guys. I'm going to close it right there. I'm going to get out. I don't want to hold it up into this area. If we hit it, we hit it. If we don't, we don't. 40-point trade either way. If you're still holding some runners, you might get it. Whoa! What the freak? Guys, that was 60 points right there. I closed a little too early. Damn, I closed a second early. What the hell was that? What the hell was that? No mames. Did you guys catch that? It's okay. I'm not upset. I didn't miss out on much. I only had two oh no, I had one. I had one micro left. So I only missed out on like $40. Wow, guys. Well, nice, guys. I'm happy for you. Happy that you guys made some money off that. Heck yeah, let's go. $40. Oh my. Wow. 70 points. All right, guys. There we go. That was the idea for those that were talking to you. I mean, it worked. So happy for you guys. Glad you guys made some money. Jeez, look, they're gonna pull these charts down. 250. Okay. So what is that? 80 points. It hit 80 points. That makes me a little sad, but wish I would have held. Or no, actually, on MNQ it only hit to 242. On NQ it hit to 250. Either way, that was good. I'm not taking anything else, guys. Hopefully, did you guys at least make $100? I don't have the clown mask. And if we would have took that loss, guys, I mean, we were risking like what, anywhere from 10 to 15 points. I would have probably stopped out around like 53, so I would have had a little bit bigger stop than you guys. But yeah, like this 55, I mean, it's not really too bad. We had a good risk to reward on that. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Nice. 1.2K on an 50K eval. That's perfect. That trade went crazy. Nice, guys. I'm glad that worked for you guys, and glad you guys made some money off that. Um, I take my own. I do both sometimes. It really depends. Like, for example, today I was only trading evals because I did have those two losses last night, and I didn't really feel good. Taking any trades in New York on my fundeds, which I'm glad I didn't because I kind of cooked myself on some evals. And what was it? Tuesday morning, I caught 30 points right off the open. Or not off the open. It was like 7:50 my time, so 9:50 Eastern. Yeah. Thank you. My hair's kind of messed up, honestly. I need to fix it. I'm super sick, guys. I'm done, honestly. I don't really have the brain power to take any more trades. And I just don't want to risk anything. You know, I'm green. So why risk anything, you know? Honestly, I don't know. Watching some what? Some what? I actually I don't partake at all in those activities wholeheartedly. I believe it's very damaging to our youth, particularly young men. Yes, sir. So, with that 6K, I believe you're referring to my payout that I just got. That was over a quarter. So, quick rundown. So, in November, this is full transparency. In November of 2025, I had 4 accounts with FFF. I submitted for a payout. It was my second payout on 2 of the accounts, and then my first payout on another two. So a total of 4 accounts. I had 2 payouts on two and then 1 payout on another set of two. Okay. The next week I was supposed to submit 2 more payouts on one set, 2 more on another set. Well, FFF ended up moving me live, and think they changed their rules from now. But at the time they said once, so they moved me to live. I didn't like their rules, and I didn't really take their live account serious, which was an error on my end. And I ended up trading their account not very well and blew it basically. Anyways, a lot of firms, when you blow your live account, they put you in a cooldown period. So they put me in a cooldown period for 60 business days. So from like the second week of November until I believe the second week of February, I couldn't trade with them. Anyways, reached out to them because they told me that they would restore my accounts once my cooldown period was over. So they gave me my accounts back. I had 20K across 4 accounts, and all I needed was 200 because I already made that money. All I needed was $200 a day in order to get the payout. So, that it was kind of, from back then profits, but it's still profits that I made. And yeah, I was able to get that 7K payout. FFF. Which, honestly, guys, if you get moved to live, I feel like you shouldn't be too worried about it. As long as you're confident in your strategy and you're ready to um, just elevate your journey at the end of the day. If you get called up to live, it means you're taking money and you're a liability for the prop firm in the simulated funding aspect of things. So be proud of it for sure. You know what I mean? And at the end of the day, you could always go trade with another firm. The eval challenge account is at break even, believe it or not. Literally at break even. It's at $50,030. So this eval challenge will probably go rolling into next week, honestly, because we only have one more day and I'm not going to try and fast in one day, if that's okay with you guys. And that will give the opportunity for people that didn't come in with for this week's account pass or whatever you want to call it, to get that opportunity. Live is different from XFAs because XFAs are sim funded, so you can still make money off them, but they're sim funded. Be patient with it, Dom. That's all I can tell you. I mean, you may want to be funded, but it's not necessarily the best for you right now. So right now I'm working on, I have 5 accounts with Apex, 50Ks. And then those are still slightly red from yesterday. And then I have 2 alphas that I'm working on. They're funded accounts. One's up 3 grand, the other one's up 5 grand. I'm waiting for a payout on those. And then I have 4 evals with Apex, and then I have 1 eval with Alpha. Don't rush it, Dom. Don't rush it, man. You got this. Anybody got any questions or anything? Oh, that was a good trade, guys. Good bounce back on, a hard day. Okay. All right, YouTube and TikTok. I think that's gonna be the end for me. I think I'm gonna mob off. I don't want to take any more trades. Thanks for tuning in. One winner, one loser. We ended up bouncing back from it. Ended green on the day for Asia session. Remember, stay disciplined and trade with Jacob tomorrow. Jalen tomorrow. We'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.